Hi, and welcome to the Blockchain 3D application. We're going to take a look at the Bitcoin pizza transaction, which was the transaction from May 2010 that's the first documented transaction for goods or services using Bitcoin. And if we choose on this first screen of the application to display a random address or transaction, it defaults to showing us the Bitcoin pizza transaction. And now we can press the Go button and the application displays our graph. And as you can see, the graph is growing. The application is growing the graph initially just by itself. We don't have to press anything. And what are we seeing here? We're seeing the blue spheres are Bitcoin transactions and the red cubes are Bitcoin addresses. And you can see that there are arrows, lines linking a transaction to an address, and the labels next to the arrows show the amount that is being transferred in milli-Bitcoin in that transaction from one address to another. And here we can see the 10 million milli-Bitcoins that is the Bitcoin pizza transaction. And here we can see downstream of the Bitcoin pizza transaction, we can see the 10 million kind of splits into two. But if we look upstream of it, we can see there are many more transactions involved, sort of big clusters. There's maybe 3 big clusters you can see there of the light blue transactions feeding all money in, being collected together before it reaches the Bitcoin pizza transaction. And in this final view here, we can show how we can drill down further. So we can tap on any address or transaction and the system will display all the linked objects, all the linked nodes to that node. So we can go deeper and deeper and deeper and trace back a transaction or an address all the way back through history.